Now, this is how we can change the Outlook calendar color on the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you're using Outlook, like you might have the app installed and downloaded on your iPhone, you can see that when you open up the app, you can tap on the option at the bottom to switch from the email right there and click on calendar, right? And in here, you can browse all of the different calendars you might have available, whatever, right? And in here, you can manage the events. So the way that it kind of works is that you can always just go back to the left panel in here within the calendar, and you can see a couple of different ones which are added, like you might have your main one or holidays or whatever, and you can click on the settings icon and next to it. And this will let you save or change the color from different options for that Outlook calendar right here. So you can pick from these colors and save those for this one, right? So that is how it would work. You would kind of have the option to do it directly within the app. Keep in mind, however, that if you using the iCloud account, but for example, in the Apple Calendar app, the way that it works there is that you can see that in the main view, you can tap on the little calendar icon below and always tap the information icon next to any of those which you are using. And this lets you change the color for that particular one. So, it depends on how you have it set up, but these are the most common scenarios. So it is kind of likely that you will also see the same thing that I do, and that's how you can change the color here as well. So let me know if you managed to found it. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.